them farm fresh strawberries.
These are yummy.
Save some for me, guys. The 3B Kids of Texas! Welcome back to the 3B Kids of Texas channel.
Today we're going to make a fresh strawberry pie.
We're gonna use fresh picked strawberries and it's gonna be delicious. First, let's make the crust.
Now it's time to bake the crust.
While the crust is baking, we're gonna make the filling.
Homemade whipped cream. If you don't know how to make whipped cream, stay tuned and we'll show you. Thanks for watching!
It's yummy.
Let's keep it to ourselves,
I know the viewers are making
but
this.
not to
I think it's delicious.
You know, I was made to eat.
I was made to eat too.
I was made to eat strawberry pie.
Same.
Same.
Yummy.
But I don't like the crust.
And the crust, phenomenal.
Mm.
But I haven't tried this kind, so I'm just gonna. Take a little bit of this crust. That a good crust.
You did a really good job on it.